not really my best work, but it is messy, so I guess I can just use that as an excuse. But yeah, so this is just a quick on the go. Even though it took 30 minutes. Yeah, so
yeah, it took 30 minutes just to do my edges for like 20 of them.
These don't look good.
But this is the hairstyle.
Yeah, so I'm aware that my forehead is the size of Russia. So if you could just ignore it.
Ignore it, guys.
Yeah, ignore it.
If you want to learn how to do this hairstyle, just stay until the end of the video. Right now, I'm gonna do a hair a hair product haul. So I guess we can do it in sections. First, we'll do oils. I guess I'm kind of out. I need some more.
Very nice for the scalp. It's from Talia Wajid.
Talia Wajid. That oil. I have this leave-in oil. It used to be cream, but then it melted, so now it's just oil. I use it when my hair is straight, but you can use it when your hair is curly too. I have
Great.
Detangler. All of these are from Talia Wajid, and they're all empty. Probably should throw them away, but we never will. This one's new. It's from Jane Carter. It's really good. You like my nails? I use this one more now. Leave-in. I have a lot of them. This is conditioner, but I use it as a leave-in conditioner. This is actually leave-in conditioner. It's from Shea Moisture. This is from True. It's leave-in too. Hey guys. Next thing I have is just a bunch of spray, you know. Moisturizer. This one is from the Jane place. It goes with this. And then this one is from True, and it goes with the one I just showed you. This is shampoo. I don't know what's in here. That's shampoo. This is,
Maybe it goes to the spray bottle.
this is just water, but it's really good. It's from Curly Kids. You should get it, not the water one. We don't really use this, but there's another one by Mixed Chicks.
But you're not even mixed.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, I thought you were.
I have these. This is curl defining stuff. You want to define your curls, do that. This is styling product. It's the same thing. And then this is a hair smoothie. Use it after you get out the shower. This is hair butter. Oh, hair butter. Oh. Hair butter. It's really good. It's just for like you gotta brush your hair down or whatever. And I have these. I do not recommend. I mean, it's good. I guess you can use it with another gel like this one.
You can use it on top to
Oh my arm.
to really hold it down.
She's sitting on the toilet.
Yeah, don't look at me. I'm on the toilet. Gosh. It's some
This
privacy.
and this, you can do them together. And last, I have coconut oil.
I'm gonna wash my hands again.
I have coconut oil, and you can use it like the hair butter. The stuff I wash my hair with. Wash my hair with this Tresemme. I'm not really anymore, but it's shampoo.
I actually never use this one.
It's almost empty. This is conditioner. I just got this one, and I just got this one too. It's shampoo for dandruff because my scalp is dry. wash my hair. Take this to school. Sometimes it has a hard side and a soft side. I have these, you know. I have a blue. This is not. This isn't mine, but I like wash my hair with these kind of brushes, and then I brush my hair with this one. What else do I use? I think that's it.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.
Yeah, that's all I use on my hair. So if you want to go buy those products, I will not link them in the description because that's like 50 things, but just, you know, freeze it, Google it. You can get
Really interesting.
Shea Moisture stuff from Target and Talia Wajid from Target. Some of this stuff is from like Amazon. It's like out of the country, you know. Wouldn't recommend buying that. I mean, if you really want to, go ahead. I guess I can rate them. The one that smells the best is this one. It smells like mangoes. I already said that. The one that smells the worst is actually the one I use the most. It's this leave-in conditioner. It smells like Play-Doh to me. Some people think it smells good. I think it smells pretty bad, but I still use it anyway. Hey guys, so we gotta do an intro version. It's spraying my head. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a hairstyle today. What kind of hairstyle are we doing?
We're gonna do a nice little bun. I've never done this before, so
So let's get started.
well, really.
Now you can spray my hair.
Okay. Hey Sid. What are you doing? I'm doing a hair tutorial, even though I'm not explaining what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's not really a tutorial.
Alright.
Nope. I never outro my videos. So that's all my hair stuff. And that was how to do a messy bun. That's not really messy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.